National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Chandler Sound, Lake Borgne, Mississippi Sound, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a front was located near Rye Gullets, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Ship Island, Lake Borgne, Cat Island, Mississippi Sound, and Rye Gullets. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: Mississippi Sound. The National